So we've just finished clearing out the main Bedouin area, and these are the decks that have arrived now, again in the rain. So we'll start hopefully putting these up as soon as possible. This is the site for those of you that have been here before. This is the site of the main area. The famous little apple leaf in the middle of the dining area. But something really amazing has happened overnight. Tshokwane River Camp is renowned for its idyllic Ripape River riverbed. Obviously what the camp was named after, Tshokwane River Camp. But overnight, our little riverbed has turned into a river. We have two streams currently flowing through the riverbed, which is amazing. It's absolutely incredible to see this. Obviously, it's going to mean that this riverbed is going to change shape again. It already changed shape with the floods that came down earlier in the season, in the year. And we had made plans of where we're going to move things to and change things. But it looks like those plans are going to be changed again. So always nature letting you know that they're in charge and we have to fit in.